Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen at home for fish. Ensuring your fish have enough oxygen is crucial for their health and well-being. We'll explore easy ways to improve water aeration, which directly impacts oxygen levels. Understanding these techniques can prevent common issues like fish gasping at the surface. Let's dive into practical steps you can take today to create a healthier habitat for your aquatic friends. Simple adjustments can significantly boost oxygen. Regular partial water changes, around 25% each week, introduce fresh, oxygenated water. Also, direct your filter's outflow towards the water surface to create ripples and improve gas exchange. Consider adding live plants like anacharis or hornwort. They naturally release oxygen during the day, benefiting your fish. These methods are effective and easy to implement. For more robust oxygenation, an air pump connected to an air stone is highly effective. It produces a steady stream of small bubbles, increasing surface area for gas exchange. A powerhead or wavemaker can also enhance water movement, distributing oxygen more evenly throughout the tank. Remember, proper stocking levels are key. An overcrowded tank quickly depletes available oxygen. Consistent monitoring is vital. Keep an eye on your water temperature, as warmer water holds less oxygen. Regularly clean your filter media to maintain efficient water flow and prevent blockages that reduce aeration. A healthy tank environment is a happy one for your fish. And hey, while you're optimizing your home, why not optimize your car? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.